Welcome to my channel. I teach people how to make money online, especially those who are beginners in all this field of work. This is the same way you can do your normal job, only that you have to do everything on the internet. And today we are going to be discussing about transcription. If you're new here, transcription is a way where you can earn money by just listening to audios of people, voice calls, videos, and then you transform it into a text by writing into your computer or just by using your pen and paper, then type it back to a computer and send to the client. And there are various ways, various websites you can earn money through this website. And today I'm just going to be going through one that I've gone through, that I started with, and all the requirements that this website needs for you to get started. I'll even show you some of the key areas that you should follow for you to actually succeed in this field. Without further ado, let's kick into the video and let's learn. Please, if you love the content I create, if you want to venture into this field of work, please make sure to subscribe me to the channel and also leave me with a like, comment on anything that you have not understood, or if something I'm doing. If you don't like my voice, if you don't like the way I speak, if I speak so fast, please mention that in the comments so that I can work on that. But without any another wasting time, let's kick into the video. So today we are going to talk about Scribe, and Scribe here is one of the wonderful website that I have comes across. For you to come to this, I'm going to leave a link into the description so that you can just easily click on it and then get started. Here you're going to be paid from $5 to $20 per audio hour, and that means for every hour that you transcribe an audio, you're going to earn from $5 to $20 depending on your skills of expertise. Yeah, but if you work 8 hours for $5, that is $40. That's a lot of money. So let's just kick into the next step here. What is transcription? The list here, as I said, you listen, you correct whatever you've heard from the video, you write it, then you get paid from $5 to $20. And this question is frequently asked by people: how much can you get per month? And this website has updated itself in a way that it will tell you how much money you can earn per month. So if, for example, if you're a total beginner here and you only want to work 1 hour per day, you'll be getting $50. Yeah, $50 per month, of course. And you see here, if you drag this option here, 2 hours 100, 3 hours 150, so just multiply that. Yeah, so if you go for, let's say, 5 hours is genuine, 5 hours will be earning $250 per month, which is not bad. And intermediate here, it means that you're going to get paid double the amount of a beginner, which is 100 per month. And if you put in 5 hours, that is 500. Yeah, 5 hours 500. For advanced, this is where, of course, you get paid $20 per hour. So every hour times 20 days, you get paid $200. So all you need here is a good understanding of English. You also need a verified PayPal account. Verified PayPal account means that you need to link your bank account to your PayPal account so that you can easily get paid through your bank account. Ability to apply text and identify mistakes. You must be able to identify the mistakes that are spoken into the video, into the audio. Ability to comprehend conversations, be able to hear what people are saying and actually put it into writing. You need a laptop, a computer, and internet connection for you to be able to work in this kind of platforms. You need a good pair of headsets. I always advise you to have this, but even if you don't have these big ones here, you need just I don't know where I put my other headsets, but also those small headsets can help you. As long as you have good listening skills, you'll be good to go. And that is it. If you need any help with one of the things I've mentioned here, please make sure to comment or email me directly if you need help. The other thing I always like to show is practice. Practice files. This website has practice files that you can go to so that you can actually learn a lot of things. All you need to do is press the link that I've clicked, and all you'll be taken to this kind of website here. Click on the blue button. Like, this will teach you everything about this website. So practice before you actually go and start earning money. Put in a few days, like 3 days. I always recommend my viewers to go for 10 days and minimally 1 week. Do practice for 1 week, then come back when you're ready to apply. You see, when you practice with these files and you come to apply, one thing about all these websites, you must have to do a test before they actually give you work to do. They cannot commit you to work if you've not done a test and if you've not passed the test. And in most cases, the test is harder than the actual work. Though some of them, of course, the test is simple, then the work is harder. But most of them, like this one, the test is harder, but the work is simple. So that is it actually. All these are files that you can do. Make sure you even do all of them. Do more than 10 if you've been transcribing, you know what I'm talking about. So this is the website for you. They have a lot of things here that you can go through. There are frequently asked questions. Their support is here. Sign up is easy. You just come to freelancers, and then you'll be taken to this page that I'm in. Start sign up and start earning. But again, I recommend you to start with practice files so that you can be able to develop this skill that even a test cannot hold you back. You'll pass the test with flying colors. So my people, again, if you like the content I give you, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video. It helps with the algorithm so that my videos can be pushed to other people. One other thing I forgot about this website, they give bonuses. Every monthly bonuses are there, $5, which is good, can be good for lunch. Short file assignments are there, and that is it. This is the website for you. So this is the video I wanted to make for you today, and this is one of the top viewed videos, top things that people from school are doing, beginners, people without I would say jobs. Do this. If you have a computer, if you have a phone, if you have access to the internet, please, let's start doing this. But practice for 1 week, then come back and apply the next week. So see you again in my next video. Walai.